Good morning, students. In continuation with the previous video of the circular system, in that we discussed about the circulatory system, its function, and the main part of the circulatory system. And there are three main parts, like I told you in the previous video. One is another is blood vessel, and heart. So in previous videos we have discussed about the blood and its function. So today we are going to discuss the another part of the circulatory system. It is blood vessel. So blood vessel actually, it's in our body, contains tube like structures called the blood vessel. These blood vessels are the components of the circulatory system that transport blood throughout the human body. These vessels transport blood cells, nutrients, and oxygen to the tissues of the body. They also take waste and carbon dioxide away from the tissues. Now, these blood vessels are also of three main types. One is arteries. They carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to all of the body's tissue. Then veins. They carry blood from all part of your body to your heart. And capillaries. These are small thin blood vessels that connect the arteries and the veins. Similarly, this also we will discuss in detail what it is. So let us first start with the arteries. Arteries. These blood vessels carry blood from the heart that contains oxygen into different part of the body. Then arteries have thick walls as the blood pressure is quite high in these blood vessels. They are narrow so that the blood can flow quickly through them. They do not contain valves as the blood in arteries always flow in the right directions due to the pumping of the heart. Then pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery is actually a special blood vessel that connects the heart to the lungs, and it takes blood that contains less oxygen, or we can say that it's a deoxygenated blood, from the heart to the lungs. Therefore, it is unlike all other arteries that carry oxygen-rich blood. As you can see in the image, that how the pulmonary artery is there. Here it is. You can see, and it is carrying oxygen-rich blood from the heart to lungs. Okay. Now the another type of blood vessel is vein. These blood vessels carry blood that is rich in carbon dioxide, okay, from the body organs to the heart. Now these veins do not have thick walls as the blood pressure is quite low in them. They are slightly wider than arteries. They contain valves that prevent blood from flowing in the opposite direction. We have pulmonary veins. The pulmonary veins is a special blood vessel that connect the lungs and the heart. It carries oxygen-rich blood from the lungs to the heart, and therefore it is unlike all other veins, carry oxygen less blood. Here, pulmonary vein. Okay, this is the same image picture of this, how heart works and how the veins is being seen here, because you can relate with the sentences here clearly and will not have any doubt in it. Clear? Okay, now as you can see pulse on the screen, that we know that the heart pumps the blood in arteries, and this continuous pumping of blood in the arteries results in their rhythmic throbbing, which is called pulse. So pulse rate, whenever you are going to a doctor's, he must be checking your pulse or pulse rate, right? So the pulse rate is defined as the number of pulse beats per minute, and the normal pulse rate of human being is 70 to 80 beats per minute. And in the picture you can see that how can we, we or the doctor can check your pulse rate and all. Okay, so I hope children that you have understood the main parts of blood vessels. In that we discussed the two, that is arteries and veins, and on the basis of this again I made few questions so that you can answer these in your notebooks. Can see, choose the correct options. You can answer these questions in your notebooks. You all can see and read. Then I made a few question answers as well. While giving the answer to these questions, you can refer both the videos, the previous one and this one as well, and you can think, understand, and then you answer. Okay, so we'll meet with the another topic in next video. Thank you.